Hi, this is Michael, and today I am reviewing a LED light here. This is designed primarily for video conferencing, so for your Zoom calls, FaceTime videos, anything along that line. It's also handy enough that you can also use it on a DSLR camera or a camcorder. It's a very versatile little light. It's got 64 LEDs in it. It also has a nice kind of opaque cover on it to help soften that light and diffuse the light. So it's really nice. You don't get a very harsh light. It's really quite nice. It has a cold shoe mount on the bottom of it, permanently on there. And then on the sides, you've got 3 other mounting points. So you could, if you had 2 of these, for instance, you could attach one to the other using one of these other mounting points, and that would just give you double the light. Now, for just doing a Zoom call or a FaceTime call, you certainly wouldn't need that. But if you were using this on your DSLR or a camcorder, then you might want a little more powerful light at certain times. But the light is great. It's rechargeable. It has, I believe it's a 2,000 milliamp hour battery in it. It took about less than an hour of charging for me to get a 50% charge in the battery. Full charge is going to take probably about 2 hours. They do provide you with a Usbc cable, and this is the USB charging port on the back here. The power button is also on the back, and you just need to hold that for about 2 seconds to have the light turn on, and then again about 2 seconds to turn it off. Then you've got 2 little dials on the top corner. On my right, this is the dial that adjusts the color temperature, and then the dial on the left is the brightness of the light. Now let me hook this up to this clip. The clip here is designed to fit over your laptop screen at the top, or you could put it on the side, I suppose, but I use it on the top. This clip opens up, spring-loaded, opens up to a maximum of about 3/8 of an inch, so a little bit less than a half an inch. If you've got an older computer that has a very thick case, you may find that this does not open wide enough. Now I've got a MacBook Air, so it easily fits over this. I've even got a protective case on my MacBook Air. It still fits with a lot of room to spare. But so it's a very handy little clip. The light itself has a little nut here that you can tighten this up so it won't slide off. So let me attach this to my laptop and turn it on. Now I've got a lot of natural light coming in here right now, so I'm actually getting a good amount of light on my face. But even so, as soon as I turn this light on, you can see it's very bright. This is the brightest it gets, and then this is at the lowest setting. But it gives a nice fill light. And if I turn this off again, just to compare the difference, you can see I sort of darken up quite a bit. Now let me turn it back on and I'll change the color temperature. This is at the 5000K setting, and then this is the warmest setting, the 2500K. So I usually like to bump it up just a little bit towards the more of the daylight setting, but not a whole lot more. I like the warm light. So that's it. So what you get in the package, you get the little user guide. It's unbranded. It just says W64 light on it. You get the USB-C cord. They also give you a little felt bag here for storage. And this has their brand name on it, or at least the seller name, CYUREAY. CYUREAY, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Sometimes I feel that some of these overseas sellers or companies that make these products, they just get a bunch of Scrabble chips and throw them on the table, and whatever order the letters spill out as, that's what they call the company. But I don't know. This is it. I really like this light. It works really well. And if you have any questions about it, give me a little comment down below, right down there. I will respond to your comments and answer your questions if I'm able to. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch you next time. Take care.